Let's talk with all honesty. Do you really want to be prosperous and live with flying colors? Do you want to experience a quiet life and never worry about anything? Do you want to live with peace of mind and solace in each passing hour? If these are your dreams, then it's about time for a genuine evaluation of yourself. Pause and ask yourself the following questions. What are the things that you are willing to sacrifice to achieve those dreams? What are the things that you will give in exchange for all your aspirations? Think about this. If you have the time in the world but prefer to have your sandwich in a snatch and without exerting any effort of preparing it, are you going to enjoy it? In fact, people who are truly successful have mastered the art of doing uncomfortable things. They are very much willing to do the things they have never done before. They choose their own kind of sandwich and do the best they can without any complaints. They are after the best outcomes and never become weary if the job becomes tough. If you're one of those people who just talk and talk but don't walk to perform the things you've talked about, this video is for you. Grab your favorite drink, take down notes, and let's mend these issues together by going through this epitome shift. Most people are compulsive about success and they don't believe it either. They are disturbed when they think that they can really attain progress in this lifetime. Success for them is really impossible and just a belief. People are constantly searching for the things that will make them happy and satisfied in life. They've searched for this in times immemorial. More often, they wander to search for their true desires. We often believe that we can find them in our current job and the position we have now. Or maybe we often think that a successful career can really fulfill the things we are longing for. And that, if we have a grasp of these things, we often believe that our life will be most enjoyable. These thoughts can deprive us of our motivation, and no matter what career or job we have, there will always be something that will annoy us, and there will be opposition to every virtue in this world. This is really happening, a reality that we have to face. Whatever we do, like simply doing some reports or answering emails or phone calls or dealing with bothersome customers, there will always be something out there that will test our patience. But whatever it is, let our principle count. Being troubled is just a matter of personal choice. What's worse with searching for the ideal jobs or career is that it will add to our frustrations. People are blinded by the thoughts that if you already have the perfect job or career, it will always be sunshine and joy and will never worry at all. However, these things can create false impressions of reality and can lead to a state of frustration and dissatisfaction. The more vivid approach is to accept life's opposing values. By practicing this, you can cultivate your skills and talents and develop a mindset that can overpower the burden and achieve success. One of the most important skills you can develop is to learn how to go out of your comfort zone. This will enable you to do challenging tasks without hesitation or overthinking. When you step out of your comfort zones, you can now control your fears and insecurities in life. This can be a mighty catalyst that will promote growth and personal development. Moreover, stepping out allows you to develop a positive mindset where you can learn and develop from your challenging experiences. Positive mindset can be cultivated in so many ways, and all we have to do is to search for them. Positive mindset allows you to see negative experiences as opportunities for which you can be knowledgeable and progressive instead of failures. This is what the epitome shift means. Having a positive mindset also enables you to look for the future benefits of failures rather than its present short-term values. When challenges do arise, you might easily lose sight of the long-term benefits and be easily discouraged. But if you have learned to view the bigger picture and the success behind each downfall, you can overcome these things and achieve all your dreams. It is also best if you see these oppositions as signs of growth and progress. Oppositions and failures can help us learn more about our weaknesses and strengths, and this is needed to develop toughness and determination. In the face of challenges, we can turn our weaknesses into strengths as we march down to progress. Now, we can possibly say that we have embraced the positive mindset, but how do I apply them and how can I be consistent so as not to lose it? But we know for a fact that keeping it consistent is a struggle for most people. This is the most important thing to consider, and you should note these things down. Number 1. Taking all the big and frightful challenges at once. Obviously, this will be very intense and tiresome, so it is important to start at the simple things to remain consistent. Do not hurry up. Learn to take things step by step. For example, if you have a stage fright and your weakness is to speak before a huge crowd, then start presenting with your friends and colleagues before moving on to a large audience. Practicing mindfulness is a great idea. It is a powerful tool for managing fear and uneasiness. By taking control of your emotions and thoughts, you can think of better judgments. Full awareness of the challenges you are experiencing lets you manage it efficiently. You should avoid self-criticism, but rather learn to encourage and motivate yourself. There are a lot of ways to encourage yourself when failures come and try to knock you off. You can sing a song, recite a chant, or listen to inspiring words. When you come out of your comfort zone, these things can inspire you to work diligently for your future. Number 2. Learn how to use SMART goal setting. One of the best ways to embrace these failures is to set smart and attainable goals. This will enable you to focus on the outcome with a clear view of what you really want to achieve. When you have a goal to pursue, you can get along with these challenges and stay inspired to finish the job easily. SMART goals include specific and measurable goals that are achievable and applicable. This type of goal will keep you focused, motivated, and even comfortable facing those challenges. Number 3. Break down your sandwich into smaller pieces. When faced with an enormous task, a huge sandwich, they say, it is better to break them into bite-sized pieces. It is the same as when you are given an enormous task. Surely it will be difficult to handle, but when they are broken into smaller tasks coupled with manageable steps to handle it, you can manage them easily. When tasks are accomplished step by step, you can feel the sense of accomplishment in each step and will add motivation to accomplish the whole task. Take your time to determine which step should come first and which will be the last. Note these simple steps and strive to complete all of them as you rejoice with your success. Number 4. Don't complain. Don't complain. Always remind yourself of this phrase. Always see to it that you are not complaining of minor things that can distract you from reaching your goal. Be mindful of your thoughts and speech as well as your actions. Don't complain, but act according to what the situation demands. Don't look back and don't complain of the things that have passed, but instead seize the moment. If you always complain, it can affect your future as well as how you work out for your goals. When people always complain, they create negativities and this hinders their progression. Negativities also build unfavorable mindset and energy circles, which can lead to absurd beliefs and more negative experiences. This phrase is a call to become responsible and be dedicated to your present actions and your character, which will determine your future. This mindset can bring out gratitude and virtues, and for you to be cautious of how you speak and think. Number 5. Expect for bad days to come. Accept that some days will be bad and annoying. When those days come around, be firm and consistent because life is full of unexpected things. You can experience twists and turns, ups and downs, and rough and smooth times. Despite being persistent to stay positive and productive, expect that there are things that will not go your way. It might be discouraging, but there are principles that can help us to fend off bad days and be firm no matter what. Stoicism or positive emotions allow us to accept the things as they are, but it also focuses on the things that we can control. It is an important mindset that inspires us to keep things under control and keep our feet on the ground in the face of challenges. When we take the reality of bad days that might come to us, we become emotional. However, we are not carried out by our emotions and feelings. We can feel loneliness or grief, but we see to it that we are still firm and fighting. We should remain positive and acknowledge these challenges as part of a well-lived life. Because of these, we can stay positive and always on the right path. By confirming our challenges and failures as blessings to help us grow and mature, we take the best measures to improve our state. By embracing our challenges gladly, we set aside self-pity. Positive thoughts are powerful to make us resilient in overcoming even the toughest challenges. Positive thoughts can give us inner peace and tranquility that will favor us one day, not just during times of trials, but in all the days ahead. Number 6. Practice self-discipline. Destiny is like our purpose. It is a lifelong process of improving oneself. It requires effort and commitment. It is not instant and can't be attained in the blink of an eye. As we practice discipline, we build positive habits, time management skills, and focus our thoughts and actions on a long-term but attainable goal. Discipline and control of oneself helps us to continue to excel in life and achieve more than we ever dreamed because it establishes self-confidence and a sense of full accomplishment. Through discipline, our values are being reinforced and we are geared towards achieving our set objectives. Exerting our effort to accomplish tasks we hate the most is like cultivating discipline in ourselves. If you are having an issue with these, we advise you to watch our video related to this subject. That's all for today. And hey, hope this video inspired all you out there who are having difficulties escaping their comfort zones. Take note, it's important to follow your dreams and aspirations, but do not escape the challenges that go along with it. We are curious about the biggest challenge that you need to overcome. Think about it and share it with us. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed the video, and make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications as always. To follow Luxzoid on social media, please review the links in the text description of this video. Thank you in advance for your feedback. I am Miss Luxurious, signing off for now. Do not forget to visit our YouTube luxury channel Luxzoid to explore the exemplification of the great state of comfort and extravagant living.